Okay, so this is going to be a tutorial for how to get the most recent reward epoch time and date that it was locked in. So how do we find the most recent reward uh, epoch reward lock-in? So what do? We go to the top here. Now we're in Songbird-Explorer.Flare.Network. Every single one of you should have this bookmarked in your Bifrost. So if you haven't done that yet, you go over here and you hit just add bookmark. Okay, the three dots. And this is inside the browser of your Bifrost. So you're going to type in right at the top search bar FTSO Manager. All you have to do is FTSOM and it comes up. Click on that contract. Well, now it says contract details, FTSO Manager. This is on mobile. You're going to go down. You're going to go transactions. You're going to hit this little thing right here in the middle. And you're going to hit read contract, right? Now, if this was a desktop, it would be off to the right of the transactions. It would show them all. So you hit read contract, right? Now, you come down, and you're going to go to number 8. Now, number 8 is going to say get current reward epoch, right? And what does that say? 40. So now you know number 40 is the current reward epoch. And now you're going to go down to 13. Stay in the same screen, and it's going to say reward epoch. You're going to hit here, 40, and then hit query. Now, if you're not connected, it will just ask you connect Songbird. So you just hit connect. And now, once you do that, you see, we go down here, this is the block. So what we're looking for is the block. So the block is 18213855. You hit copy. And now we come back up to the top in the search bar, and we just copy and paste. And then we hit enter. Now what comes up is the timestamp. So this was the most recent lock-in block, which was June 24th, 2022 at 12:34, 41 seconds p.m. UTC time. So that's when the most recent epoch was locked in. So now you know how to look up the epoch. Say we wanted to look up 30